Hello and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to manage the hardware on your cloud computer. If you've received an email saying your cloud computer is running low on memory, it may be time to upgrade your hardware plan for better performance. Step 1. From your dashboard, click on Actions, then select Manage Computer to open the Settings panel for your cloud computer. Step 2. Navigate to the Plan tab and click on Change Hardware to view available options. Step 3. Select your desired hardware plan from the list, whether you're upgrading or downgrading, and then click Next Step. Your cloud computer will restart automatically with the updated hardware, and your subscription will be adjusted to reflect any additional charges. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.